Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add additional details to parcels on the web platform. First, log into your account and navigate to deliveries. Click on log delivery to manually log in the parcel. Type in the recipient name and select it from the list, then type in the identifier from the parcel and click on show advanced to add more details. Start adding the courier, the tracking number from the parcel, and now start adding the additional details like parcel tags, storage location, some notes, for example like the parcel came in damaged, and choose a parcel dimension. And when you're done adding all of the notes, click on add. Once you've added the parcel, you can view and modify the details anytime. And that's it. Thank you for watching.